I think, there's a lot of game theory involved here. I don't know what the Trump administration's end game is. And I think the market doesn't know either. And the market is simply betting, you know what, the bark will be worse than the bite in the end for both sides. And so the market's making the assumption that there'll be a lot of words, there'll be a lot of angry tweets, but at the end of the day, they will work it out. That is the view of the market overall. The issue that I have is not that won't be the way it plays out. It's more, what is the end game? It's unclear to me. And I think it's probably unclear to the administration, which is what is a good outcome for you and how long does that take?
So we were talking to guests about this, some trade guys, Chris, last hour, and they said, look, if the U.S. wants to pursue intellectual property in the way that China's abused that in this country, this is kind of the blunt way they're going about doing that. What do you do then as an investor, especially if you have to be concerned about their retaliation now? Well,
if you're really afraid of that, I think you want to look at U.S. small caps and those that are U.S.-centric type companies, rather than looking at those that we're affected every day by trade imbalances or imbalances or a war with Europe or China or whatever the case might be. And that's the safe place to be. But I'm not sure whether it's the right place to be, because I think this does blow over.
Yeah, I think, you see, this is the classic reaction, which is everybody's like, oh, go to U.S. small caps or to domestic. I think that's a misinterpretation. I think the bad scenario here has nothing to do with companies, their earnings, the trade flows. What it has to do with sentiment in the market. And if the sentiment turns against the president and against the global economy, that's bad for everybody.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.